there guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect skin and makeup for your bridal occasion. So I started off by showing you guys what I use before I applied my makeup, and it is my clay mask. This one is by Organic Australia or something like that. It's very cool because it gives me a very nice effect in my face, and it besides giving me so much nutrients and vitamins, etc, etc. Then afterwards I moved in to apply my moisturizer, and this one is I forget what brand it is, but it's very cheap and affordable. I don't use like high-end moisturizer or just anything like that because I do not like the feeling of cream in my face. That's why I only apply a tiny bit, and when I apply too much I feel like it's irritating my skin. I don't know, I just really hate the texture of moisturizers and creams in general, but I still use them because they are very important for our face, so it will look better and etc. So then afterwards I just let that air dry a little bit, and then afterwards I don't know what I was doing in that clip. I was saying no to somebody, I think so. So anyways, there you guys just see me pretty much applying my face cream, and then afterwards I went ahead and applied the other cream I used for my face only in my under eye because I did want it to moisturize that area. Remember that part of my eyes gets super dry, and well, my skin in that part, I guess. So anyways, I'm just letting air dry it super well because I do want it to dry up and absorb everything. Then like I said before, I'm just applying that in my under eye area. Okay, so now that we're just pretty much just letting our face dry, etc., I'm going to be moving on to my eyes, and what I did here is I applied some no, that's not face primer, that is eye primer. And I'm just blending that super well with my fingers, and remember to use your ring finger because it does create less pressure than using your other fingers. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using the Naked 3 palette, and I do not like this palette that much because I feel like it has shades that I normally don't use. I mean, it is very natural and pretty, etc., but it's way too natural for me, at least. So I still think this palette works great with bridal makeup because you want to create like a very light and like cute makeup, so I think that's why I chose it. And yeah, so what I started doing is I applied some crease color in my transition shade, I guess, and I just blended that very nice through my whole entire crease area. And there you guys see me pretty much just repeating the process, reapplying, applying with my finger, because I think it does show up a lot more than using a flat synthetic brush. I hate synthetic brushes, honestly. I don't even know why I try with them. I try to use them because they're in my collection, but honestly they do not work for me. So anyways, there you guys just see me applying with my finger, and I think it showed up wonderful and it came out pretty. And that rosy color in my crease area, it's so pretty, and I've never used this shade before, but I really like it. And then to finalize the look, I decided to create like a dark eyeliner type of thing. So I took this angle brush and taking a dark shade, I ran that like in my liner area, and it created a very nice effect. I was pleased with it, and I really like how it turned out. So then moving on to my face makeup again, I started off by applying this e.l.f. primer, and this one is the poreless, I think so. And I apply that usually in my T-zone because that is where I get most pores and where my foundation tends to like run off, etc. So I apply that very well in my T-zone and just blend it with my fingers. For foundation, I'm using the Photo Focus by Wet n Wild. This foundation, it has been one of my favorites recently. I keep using it and using it and using it because first of all, I love the tone I chose it in. Second of all, it does last a very long time on my face. And third, I think it creates like a very nice effect because it doesn't give me like a cakey look. It tends to feel a little bit heavy. I think that's the only negative part, but for being like $5.99, I feel like it's amazing, and I will definitely repurchase that one after it's done. I'm gonna get new foundations soon. I'm trying to think which one I'm gonna get because I think that the foundations I have, I'm like so tired of them and I cannot use them anymore because I just really do not like them anymore. Does that happen to you guys? Let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, there you guys just see me pretty much blending everything super well with my brush and also moving into blend it with my sponge. I figure that the sponge method is wonderful too. It gives me like a very nice like very natural effect and not super cakey. And then afterwards I just went ahead and set my whole entire face using some translucent powder. I'm not sure which one I used because I don't think I showed you guys which one I used. Okay, so now I'm taking this cream highlighter and I'm applying that right in the top of my cheekbones, and I skip blush and contour and all that because I did want it to create like a very luminous effect, and I felt like I wanted to focus my makeup in doing that. You guys can definitely add blush, contour, and all the things that you guys want, but I still wanted to focus this tutorial mainly in my skin and how healthy it looks and glowy, etc. Did my eyebrows off camera because that is very repetitive and you guys have seen that a lot of times. So then I just went ahead and applied my lipstick. What I did first was outline the my lips with the Urban Decay lip liner, and then I moved ahead and used the Milani lipstick in cream something, and it's very pretty. I love it. It's very like a nice nude. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. Let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions, and remember to like and share this video with your friends so we can become a huge community here. And bye bye, take care.